Alright, welcome in. I'm Joystick Jerry. If it's your first time here, give us a follow on YouTube, subscribe, check us out on Whatnot. We do sales every Sunday if you're into retro or modern games or handhelds or consoles, collectibles. Give us a follow. Check us out, Joystick Jerry on Whatnot, YouTube. And with that out of the way, let us get started. We're going to do another Whatnot unboxing and opening. I think we've got 7 today. So, just like last time, we'll start with the smallest and we'll work our way up. First one, return person, actually. They were in our first video. Mr. Sap from California. So, let's see what we got in here. May not need the trusty knife for this one. Just get it open. Oh. Awesome. Well, thank you, sticker. What do we got here? Just a single game, little Game Boy game it looks like. Some Arthur. Arthur's Absolutely Fun Day for Game Boy Color. Awesome. Thank you, Mr. Sap. We'll set that to the side. And if you guys see any of these items that we unbox, most of them will be available on our Whatnot show on Sunday evenings, 7:30. And if there's something you're specifically looking for that you don't see on my tables or see on our show, get in my messages, either on YouTube, Whatnot, either or. Try to keep up on both of them and let us know what you're looking for. See if we can't hunt it down for you. Alright, so our next one, sorry, I probably should have, is from Alex Oreza. I don't know, probably butchering that. All the way from Arizona. So, let's see what we got. Sticker. Spartan 2 Academy. Pretty neat. And what did we get all the way from Arizona? Copy of Lumens for the PSP. Complete. A little loose in the box there, but manual game. If you're not familiar, Lumens is a puzzle game. Kind of like Tetris, but on a larger scale is the best way I can describe it. But pretty good game. That'll be available this coming Sunday. Alright, let's see who is up next. Number 3. Oh, let's do this one. Happy Day Resale from Michigan. Pretty neat. Pretty close to home there. Let's see what Happy Days got going on. Very well packaged. Happy Day Resale. Alright. I think we got some loose PS1 games, possibly. So, what do we have here? We have Motocross Mania 3. True Crime Streets of LA. Excellent game. Actually, quite sought after game. And a Spyro game, the not for sale copy. As you guys know, a lot of these usually came in box sets, stuff like that, demos from stores. That's where a lot of your not for resale stuff comes from. But thank you very much. Happy Day Resale on those. Those will also be available Sunday on our Whatnot channel. So, Move on to this next one. Jennifer from Indiana. Alright, let's see what Jennifer sent. Packing slip there. Okay. Looks like we got a few items in here. Yu Yu Yakusho. Ghost Files. Dark Tournament for the PS2. No manual, but the game is in excellent condition. Just out of curiosity, let's do this real quick. So, it looks like not bad. It's a good game. Sorry about that. Click over to the computer there for a second. And we have ourselves a DS Lite. See if it's got any power. No, we will throw that on a charger. Oh, there's a game inside. Scrabble. Ah, how about that? Don't mind a free game. Got its game door covered. Missing the stylus. Overall not bad. Could use a wipe down on the front here. Looks like it might have been stickers on it at one point. Overall condition though, it's pretty nice. Could definitely use a wipe, and that one will be ready and for sale on our show. Guys, make sure you don't miss that one. That's a nice one. Alright, so next we have from William Lind in Minnesota. Let's see what this is all about. Packing slip. Oh. We got a free pack of 1989 Topps Major League Baseball cards with the bubblegum still inside. I'm sure that is absolutely delicious. Let's get this tape off of here. Well, that's pretty neat. I used to collect baseball and sports cards way back when. Oh, we damaged it a little bit. But that's alright. Pretty neat. Thank you very much for that. We do appreciate that. We got some retro toys. So in case you guys don't know, not only do I collect video games, I also collect retro toys from the 80s and 90s. Some a little further back. We dabble in some of the 70s stuff and the 60s stuff. But one of my favorites, outside of Transformers, is Ninja Turtles. Some was a staple of my childhood growing up with. Got some Casey Jones. That might stand, might not. Yeah, we'll just lay him down for now. A couple Donatellos. How about that? Detective Donatello. Pretty neat. Awesome. Love having that. And anytime we do get duplicates of figures that we already have in our collection, those go to our other show, which is called Jerry's Junk. We do have two shows that we run. The one is called Joystick Jerry, and that's mainly focuses on our video games, consoles, and handhelds. Jerry's Junk, we dabble in a little bit of everything. Retro toys, clothes, purses, shoes, a little bit of everything. Home decor, anything you could pretty much think of, guys. We mess with it, and if you don't see it on there, we probably hunt it down for you. A lot of Harley collectibles, hunting items, knives, stuff like that. So go check that one out. Give that one a follow. It's called Jerry's Junk on Whatnot. There isn't really much to the page. We haven't got it fully set up. We've only ran one show. We'll get a little background, a little fanciness to it, just like all our other stuff here soon. Before we get too far, this is from Never Ending Thrifts out of Connecticut. Never Ending Thrifts. So you guys give them a follow. And if you're in the Connecticut area, go check them out. This one is fighting back. There we go. Alright. Packing material out of there. Is that it? Alright. That's going to be all for that one. Let's see. Oh, we have another DS Lite. Another blue DS Lite. Oh, this one's got some scratching on the outside of it. Probably belonging to a child. Hinge is loose, too. Any power to this one? Nope, no power to this one. So we'll get this one on charge. See, oh, a free game. Oh, mystery game. My favorite. This one's also got its game door cover, so that's awesome. But also missing the stylus. So that's two blue ones. We'll see if we can't get that hinge fixed on that one. I believe I have a powered up DS down here, or at least a DSi. So we can check this game out real quick. Let's see what this is about. Oh, love a mystery game. Love a mystery game. Let's see what it is. Hopefully it's something awesome. Come on, Pokemon. What do we got? What is it? Oh, it says nothing in the game card slot. Well, this might be a little dusty. It's been sitting up there. Card don't look bad. It is Mario 64. Awesome. Awesome. What? All right. Awesome. Can't beat that. Copy of Mario. We'll stick that to the side in case we got other mystery games. We'll have to label that. Cool. That's a good find. Ah, yes. So, one of the most desired handhelds there is. Oh, this one is rough. Whoa. Look at that. Oh, boy. We got some work to do. This may be candidate to be reshelled. We got a game. Another mystery game. Oh, yeah. She definitely need... Yeah, we might just reshell this one. Let's see if we got power. Oh. Power button sticky. So I'm betting this one's probably had something spilled on it. So we'll definitely be taking this apart on one of our future videos. And seeing... Oh, wait. Just powered on. The battery's almost dead, but it just powered on. That's awesome. Oh, it just died. I wonder if we can... Can we figure out what this game is? Oh, it isn't going to turn back on. Oh. Hold on. I think I have a charger nearby. Oh, is it plugged in, though? No, it's not. Oh. Let's put this in something else. See if we can figure out... Well, we know that works. Awesome. So let's see. I don't have anything up here to test this with. I'm so curious what this game is now. Alright. Man, that may be half... Hold on. We can do this. So not prepared to do this. I don't want this video to draw out too long. We'll charge it. We'll find out what this is. By the next video, we'll figure out what this mystery game is. We're going to move on, though. And we only got one box left, so... last but not least... Make sure that is all of them. A bit of a larger box. Salvaged Magic and Mischief. Out of Vermont. Salvaged Magic and Mischief. So, let's see. See what kind of mischief or magic is in here. Alright. Packing material. Oh, we've got a hand-drawn thank you note. Awesome. Oh, we got some goodies in here, guys. Alright, so let's put that over to the side so we have a little bit of room. See what we're doing here. We have an N64 controller. Very well packaged. Thank you for that. Oh, wow. What? Alright. Oh, tight stick too? What? Guys, that feels almost like a new controller. Wow. Very nice condition. Very, very nice. Alright. We have another one here. Oh, this one's a third party. Still in good shape. Pretty much feels like new. Game. Alright, so two N64 controllers. We have an N64 to HDMI adapter. I actually have old school TV, so if any of you guys need N64 to HDMI adapter, we'll have one of those available. We have a power supply that is Nintendo. So that's awesome. We love the OEM stuff. Put that over there. What is this? Oh, we have a game. Let's check this out. Man, these are like very, very well wrapped. Not only was that in saran wrap, it's in a plastic baggie. Kudos to you guys. And well, unfortunately, without even opening this, I can tell you guys that this is a reproduction card. So, number one, this label is just, that's the wrong color gray. It's misaligned. There's no number stampings on it. It's entirely too glossy. And if you look real close up here on the front, it's kind of hard to tell. The coloring is just a little bit off. But if you look here at this Nintendo logo, that is definitely not the Nintendo font. And this seal looks blown up just a little bit. So, what we're going to do is pop this open just to confirm my suspicions. I believe this may be a reproduction game. Well, this video just turned into something I wasn't planning on. Let's grab our game bit. I believe that's the right one. There we go. If you guys have never opened an N64 card, they're pretty simple. It's just 2 screws and a couple tabs. And yeah, this is definitely a reproduction card. As you can see, there's no Nintendo logo on there or nothing. These are newer chips. Although it is a nicer reproduction. I'll give them that. But unfortunately, that is going to go to our Pretendo collection, because that is not an authentic game. So, we will be putting that to the side. That will not be available for sale, because even when I get my hands on these, I just put them in. I've got a little section for knockoff games. We hold on to them, make sure they don't keep circulating in public. That way nobody's out here getting scammed with these things. And that just does not want to snap back in there for some reason. It's alright, not a biggie. Put it back together here in a little bit. Let's see what else we have. There's a couple more items in here. Another game, which that's already a little sus. And I believe just the console. Alright. Well, thank God they haven't started making bootleg consoles yet. I mean, there are like bootleg N64s, but more along the lines of reproductions. Find the end of this plastic here. Check this system out before we dive into that last game. Wow, the amount of saran wrap on this. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. One of these days. 3 years later. Alright. Down to the bubble wrap. Let's crack this bad boy open. Oh, well. So, I'm going to say condition-wise, that is actually pretty nice. I'm not seeing any major gouges, scratches, or scuffs on it. That is in very excellent condition. Looks very clean on the inside from here. Wow. Yeah, this is very nice. Oh, no way! With the red jumper pack. Wow. Well, that is a nice surprise there. That's like a $50 addition to that. So if you guys are wanting an N64, there you go. We'll have that available soon. Let's check out this last game. See what we got. And it's looking like this is going to be the same deal. This is also a reproduction cart. Yeah. So the dead giveaway on this one is this red print down here is way off. These labels are just absolutely... They look like they've been photoshopped. Like somebody took a picture of the label and then printed it. Yep. Yeah. Let's give it a... And the plastic just isn't quite right. You know what I mean? Like it just doesn't... It's kind of hard to explain. It doesn't feel as solid, I guess. Well, this is sad. We usually don't end up with a lot of reproduction stuff, but I guess today was the day. Yeah, already before I ever even got it open. Yeah, those are new chips. No Nintendo markings. Pretty similar to the first one we opened. I think chip placement was just a little different on that one. But it's basically the same board. It is the same board, matter of fact. Oh, no, there's a couple variations in it, I guess. Capacitor placement on this one's a little bit different. But overall, they're pretty much working with the same PCB and just placing chips in different areas where they need them. Even though I don't like receiving these, at least I know when I have them, we don't have to worry about them being out in circulation, one. And two, they are kind of interesting. And if you are a retro collector, I'm not completely bashing these things because there is definitely a time frame on all this stuff, guys. You know what I mean? Retro games and CDs and it's old stuff. And the more you play it and use it, the more wear it gets. So I could see the advantage of having these if they play properly and save properly, and nobody's trying to resell them or deceive people. Then I can understand that. You know, it's less wear on your personal copies. But there's always that aspect of somebody able to scam someone out of their money for what they presume to be real. So you guys be aware out there. You know, keep your eyes open, do your homework. Just like with anything. We'll put this one back together real quick while we're doing it. But as always, I appreciate you guys stopping in. And we will be doing some repair videos on this channel as soon as I get around to it. But like I said, this is we're just getting started. New channel. We'll get it going. I appreciate all you guys subscribing, stopping in, checking out the views. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button. You want to see more stuff like this. We're going to do a lot of unboxings. We're going to do some local video game store tours. All kinds of stuff. We got a fun summer planned in front of us for 2026. And hopefully you guys are there for the journey. And like I said, if you're interested in any of this stuff, retro games, retro toys, collectibles, Harley Davidson stuff, hunting, fishing, cool gifts for your wife and kids, for your hubby, your significant others, family members, whatever. We do all that on our Whatnot channels. Joystick Jerry and Jerry's Junk. Go check them both out. Give them a follow. We're on... we do the video games every Sunday night, 7:30. And Jerry's Junk, we're getting started. We're going to get that scheduled out. Kind of pick a day that's, works for everybody. And we're going to get that one cracking. And hopefully you guys are there to join us. So thank you for coming in. Thank you for being here with us. And hopefully we see you guys on the next one. Peace.